What's happening, guys? Corey Martin, Troy Lee Designs, Lucas Oil Honda truck driver. Just wrapped up in Steel City. We're gonna hit the road, 2,500 miles, get to Corona, California, and take you through the shop.
Corey and Clint drove basically straight back. They arrived Monday morning. The mechanics, they tore the bikes down and it goes back to just a bare frame, and we put new motors in and they go through everything, make sure everything's perfect, and then put the bikes back together.
Hey, welcome to Troy Lee Designs. This is our showroom. Come take a look. We've got a lot of heritage here, a lot of history, a lot of championship bikes back here. We have McGrath's 125. We've got Travis Pastrana's X Games flip bike. Let's head back to the paint department where all the magic happens.
Dream come true to own a factory race team, you know? I remember the days when I was all stoked just to take a helmet to the races. Now to go and have my own team, it's super cool.
The final round of the 2012 Lucas Oil Pro Motocross Championship, Lake Elsinore National.
'12 is done. We had a good year. All the guys rode awesome. That's it. See you, GoPro.